Hey everyone, and welcome back to our podcast. I'm Anna, and today we're talking about something that sounds lazy, but it's actually smart. A lazy day. We're talking about how a lazy day can actually be part of a productive life.
Exactly. And it's not only about rest, it's about balance. Sometimes doing nothing helps you do everything better later. And because this is our English learning podcast, we'll also show you how to talk about lazy days in English. You'll learn some natural expressions, some real English, and maybe how to enjoy your next lazy Sunday without guilt.
So grab your tea, your blanket, and let's dive into the art of doing nothing the smart way.
When I say lazy day, I don't mean lying on the sofa for a week doing absolutely nothing. For me, a lazy day is one special day when you slow down, stop running, and let your mind breathe. It's a day without alarms, without schedules, and without pressure. You still do small things, like cooking, walking, or watching something, but you do them in a relaxed way. You listen to yourself and your energy. That's a lazy day to me. A reset button for the brain. And
I love that idea. A reset button. For me, a lazy day is when I finally allow myself to do less and feel okay about it. I think we live in a world where everyone is rushing work, study, emails, notifications. And when you stop, you almost feel guilty. But on my lazy days, I try to change that feeling. I tell myself, rest is also part of the plan. It's not a break from productivity, it's a part of it. And that mindset changes everything. Okay, let me tell you about my last lazy day. It was a Sunday and the weather was gray, the perfect excuse to stay home. I woke up late, made a big cup of coffee, and spent the whole morning in bed reading a book I started months ago. No phone, no to-do list. Later, I made pancakes and listened to music. In the afternoon, I took a long bath and just stayed quiet. No podcasts, no background noise. I didn't even try to be productive. But you know what? When Monday came, I felt calm, focused, and ready to work again. That day gave me energy back.
that sounds amazing. My lazy day is a bit different. I like to go outside, but slowly. I wake up without an alarm, make breakfast, and then go for a walk with no destination. Sometimes I sit in a park, watch people, and think about nothing. I don't check my phone. I don't count my steps. Then maybe I come home, cook something easy, pasta or soup, and watch a movie. The rule is no pressure, no plans. Just following what I feel like doing, and at the end of the day, I always feel more creative. It's like my brain suddenly has new space for ideas.
I completely understand that. And I think lazy days are when creativity quietly comes back. You don't force it. It just appears. Like when you're lying on the sofa and suddenly get an idea for something you've been stuck on for days. That's why I think lazy days are not lazy at all. They're productive in a different way.
Exactly. Sometimes the best ideas come when you stop trying so hard. It's like your mind needs silence to speak. That's what a lazy day gives you: silence, space, and rest.
Let's talk about the benefits. First, it reduces stress. When you let yourself rest, your body and mind relax. You breathe slower, you smile more, and you remember what really matters. Second, it helps you sleep better because you're not constantly running in your head. And third, it makes you appreciate small things: the taste of coffee, the sound of rain, or even the comfort of your bed. Those small things are what life is made of.
Yes, and there's also a benefit for learning, including language learning. When you give your brain a rest, it processes information better. So, if you've been studying English all week, a lazy day can actually help you remember more. It's like giving your brain a little break to organize what it learned. Also, when you're relaxed, you notice more words around you in movies, music, conversations. Learning becomes natural, not forced.
That's such a good point. A lazy day can be an English day too, just an easy one. You can watch a movie in English, listen to calm music with lyrics, or just think in English while you walk. No pressure, no grammar, just you and the language.
Exactly. Real English means simple English, and lazy days are perfect for that. You can connect the language with positive emotions, calm, pace, comfort. That makes learning feel good again.
So, lazy days are not a waste of time. They're part of a healthy, productive life. They give you balance, energy, and even help you learn better.
Right. Productivity is not about doing more, it's about doing what matters. And sometimes what matters most is stopping for a moment.
So, maybe next weekend, don't feel bad if you do nothing. Just enjoy it, recharge, and let your mind breathe.
And now we'd love to hear from you. What does your perfect lazy day look like? Do you stay home, go out, sleep, read, walk? Share your lazy day ideas in the comments or tell us in English. Maybe practice your writing a little.
And remember, learning English can be calm, simple, and lazy too. See you next time.